Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix there are no power options available in Windows 11. Let's begin. So what you're going to do first is you are going to open up the command prompt. So you're going to type in CMD and then you're going to right click, then select run as administrator. Then you're going to type in msdt.exe, then space, then /, then ID, space, power, diagnostic, and then you're going to hit enter. It says to troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. And then afterwards, you're going to go to the bottom here and you're going to select next. Then it's going to scan your computer for any problems. Then once it's done, you're going to select close. Afterwards, you're going to type in run and you're going to type in reg edit and you're going to select OK. So make sure that you've expanded the HKey local machine folder, and then afterwards, you're going to expand the software folder. And then you're going to look for the Microsoft folder. So you're going to expand it, and then you're going to look for Windows. So you're going to scroll all the way down until you find the W letter. So where it says Windows, you're going to expand that as well. And then you're going to expand the current version, and then look for something which is policies. And then you're going to select the folder which is called Explorer. You're not going to try to expand it. Then afterwards, you're going to right click and select new. Then you select dword 32-bit value and you're going to give it a new name. You are going to rename it to no close and you're going to double click on it and you have to make sure that the value data is 0 and you're going to select OK. Then all you need to do is restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.